Good afternoon, my colorful people. Welcome back to my channel. This was not scheduled to make this video, but look what came today. This is the brand new Matchstick Mouse rainy day coloring book by Morgano'brien, and we are going to do a flip through. This is the front cover. It is Amazon print. Again, it is single-sided, and let's see, I just got it out of the box, so here we go. Oh, it's already too cute. Let's see. And right now it's blazing hot in the Netherlands again. We had a period of very rainy days, but now finally the sun is shining and this book falls onto my doormat. So look at this. She is gorgeous with all of her friends. And there's also a PDF version you can buy in his coffee shop. I can leave the link to his shop in the description box. So cute. It looks like he's getting better and better all the time. There's a lot of detail in this one. Running to keep the laundry dry. Look at this. This is so cute. A little raincoat. Playing chess on a rainy day. Oh, we can relate to that one sometimes. Putting the pots and pans for the leakage of the roof. I think this is the front cover. Yeah, that's the front cover. So cute. Fishing in the rain with the koi. Getting Chinese takeout. This is great. Absolutely the cutest book. I love these pictures. I love the round circle with the frame, so not a lot of blank space, negative space to color. They're always great. I can say a quick color, but when you see this is very intricate, very details with a caterpillar, or maybe it's a centipede, I don't know. Having a croissant on a tree in the rain. The little ducky. This is adorable. Waiting for the rain to pass to go on a big picnic with all our friends. A rainy day is always a good time to write a letter to your best friends or having a bath. Breakfast in bed. I think it's the birthday breakfast because of the presents. And we all did this when we were kids. Building your own tent when it's raining outside. Or playing with your friends. Again, he outdid himself again. This is such a gorgeous book. Such a pretty book. Oh, I love this one with the flying fish. Oh, when it's raining outside, you just make it sunny inside. Or joining the birds in the bird's bath. And the cat that doesn't like the rain. Look at his face. It's adorable. I cannot wait to start coloring in this one. And look, there's even a page for any day. So any day gets a little bit of love in this book as well. So that's fantastic. So that was it. Short video. I could not wait to show you this book. This is the new Morgan O'Brien Matchstick Mouse, a rainy day coloring book. I bought this one on Amazon Netherlands. I will try to find it on the Amazon US and put the link in the description box. Thank you very much for watching and have a really, really great day.